For anyone, losing data can be a worse nightmare. We've become so digitalized that most of our essential contacts, documents, photos, messages, and core memories now live inside our devices. And honestly, we rarely think about what would happen if they suddenly disappeared. But if that moment ever comes, accidental deletion, system crash, broken phone, or unexpected failure, it can feel like everything is gone in seconds. In those situations, the only real option is to turn to data recovery software. But here's the problem. There are countless tools out there claiming to do the job. So how do you choose the right one without wasting time or risking your data even more? In this video, I'll give you one of the most well-known solutions that can actually solve this problem. It's Wondershare Dr. Fone for data recovery for Android. Now, Wondershare Dr. Fone is more than just a simple recovery tool. It's actually part of a full mobile management ecosystem developed by Wondershare. Over the years, it has built a strong reputation among users and has become a go-to platform for many people when it comes to handling mobile data safely and efficiently. One of the best things about Dr. Fone is that it doesn't focus on just one function. It includes a wide range of features such as phone unlocking, system repairs, data transfer, file management, screen mirroring, and much more. Whether you're using Android or iOS, it gives you tools to manage your device in a structured and secure way. So, in this Dr. Fone data recovery review, we're going to take a closer look and see if it still delivers when it comes to recovering lost files. We'll break down what it offers, how it performs in real use, and whether it's actually worth relying on when your data is gone. Dr. Fone for data recovery is designed to be simple and easy to use, even for non-technical users. It can recover a wide variety of file types, including photos, videos, audio files, messages, contacts, call history, and documents. It also goes further by allowing you to recover, preview, and restore deleted WhatsApp chats, attachments, and media files. On top of that, it supports WhatsApp Business data recovery as well. Another useful feature is its ability to recover files backed up on Google Drive, which makes restoring cloud-stored data much easier. Behind the scenes, the software uses efficient scanning algorithms that deeply analyze your device's memory to recover as much lost data as possible from both Android and iOS devices. Now, let's go step by step and see how it actually works in practice. When you first open the software, you'll see a main dashboard with several options displayed clearly on the screen. On the left-hand side, you'll notice sections like Toolbox, My Device, My Backup, Screen Mirror, and Phone Companion. When you click on the Toolbox section, you'll find a variety of utilities built into the software. These include Screen Unlock, System Repair, WhatsApp Transfer, Data Recovery, Virtual Location, Data Eraser, Phone Transfer, Password Manager, and Dock Pass Remover. Now, the main question is, how do you actually use Dr. Fone for data recovery to restore lost files caused by accidental deletion? The process is surprisingly simple, just a few clicks. First, make sure your Android or iOS device is connected to your PC using a cable, and confirm that the software detects your phone correctly. Once that's done, you're ready to begin. Next, from the left menu, click on Toolbox, then select Data Recovery. After that, choose the operating system of your device. In this case, we'll select Android. At this point, the interface stays very straightforward. Instead of overwhelming you with too many options, it simply asks what kind of data you want to recover. You can choose between Android data, WhatsApp data, WhatsApp Business data, Google Drive data, or even data from a broken phone. We'll start with the first option, Recover Android data. Now you'll be asked to select the types of files you want to recover. After making your selection, click on Start Scan and wait while the software analyzes your device. Depending on the amount of data, this process may take a few minutes. Once the scan is complete, the software will display all recoverable files in a preview list. From here, you can select what you want and click Restore to save the recovered data directly to your computer. And just like that, the process is complete. One important thing to note is that this process does not require rooting your device, which makes it significantly safer for everyday users. You can follow the same steps for other recovery modes as well, such as WhatsApp data, WhatsApp Business data, or Google Drive data. Simply select the option you need, choose your file types, click Next, run the scan, and wait for the recovery process to complete. One important thing to note is that this process does not require rooting your device, which makes it significantly safer for everyday users. Wondershare Dr. Fone for data recovery is also capable of recovering deleted files even if they are no longer in the recently deleted folder. However, it's important to act quickly after data loss. The more you continue using your phone, the higher the chance that deleted files may be overwritten and become unrecoverable. There are many situations where data loss can happen: accidental deletion, physical damage, broken screens, system crashes, or even a device that simply stops responding. In many of these cases, Dr. Fone can still help retrieve important files, especially from damaged or unresponsive phones. Overall, Dr. Fone offers a polished and well-designed experience with strong support for both iOS and Android devices. After actually going through it, I'd describe Dr. Fone as reliable rather than magical, and that's actually a good thing. It doesn't promise unrealistic recovery results, but it does manage to recover a meaningful amount of lost data when conditions allow it. So if you've accidentally deleted important files, lost WhatsApp media, or you're dealing with a device that's acting strangely after an update, this tool is definitely worth considering. It's practical, clear about what it can and cannot do, and far more dependable than many random recovery tools you'll find online.